Hi, we are Compilo and this video is regarding the interview questions of SQL. What are dirty reads and phantom reads? Dirty reads is when we read uncommitted data. When we do this, there is no guarantee that data read will ever be committed. Phantom reads is when data that we are working with has been changed by another transaction since you first read it. Now, subsequent reads of this data in the same transaction could be different. What are the levels of isolation in SQL Server? Which among them is the default one? Isolation level is a part of ACID properties, that is atomicity, consistency, isolation and durability in RDBMS. Basically, it is a process of locking the row while performing some task in a way that other transaction need to wait for the current transaction to complete. There are five types of isolation level in MS SQL Server. Read uncommitted. In this level, the transaction can read uncommitted data, which results in the dirty read problem discussed earlier. Here, we allow a transaction to read the data which is being updated by another transaction and not yet committed. Read committed. This prevents the dirty read problem. In this level, the transaction cannot read the data that is being modified by the current transaction, which forces the user to wait for the current transaction to finish up its job. Repeatable read. This level is similar to read committed with an additional benefit. In this, insert query doesn't wait. Snapshot. This level takes a snapshot of current data. Every transaction works on its own copy of data. When any user tries to update, insert or read anything, server asks him or her to re-verify the table row once again from the starting time of its execution so that he can work on fresh data. Serializable. This is the highest level of isolation level provided by SQL Server transactions. Phantom read problem discussed earlier can be prevented by implementing this level of isolation. It asks any user to wait for the current transaction for any kind of operation he wants to perform. Additionally, isolation level also has a problem called deadlock, in which both the transactions lock the object and wait for each other to finish up the job. Deadlock is a dangerous situation as it decreases the concurrency and availability of the database object. In such cases, SQL Server kills one of the processes. Also, here read committed is the default isolation level. What is a SQL Server Profiler? SQL Server Profiler is a tool by Microsoft which is used to trace the activities and operations executed on a specific SQL Server database engine or analysis services. These activities can be analyzed later. Actually, SQL Server handles two important operations, tracing and replay. So tracing monitors the operations executed over an instance and replay reruns the operations logged in a trace later. Basically, Profiler is a standalone tool installed along with SQL Server and can be accessed by using Windows Explorer or SSMS2. Have you used Tuning Advisor? Yes, it is another tool provided with SQL Server which is used to read and analyze the traces created by the profiler. We have discussed that just now. It can be accessed from the SQL Server Management Studio and takes a profiler trace as input. Basically, it gives recommendations like missing indexes, partitioning, etc. for improving the database engine performance based on the operations saved in the trace file. Now, what are the ways to optimize SQL queries? There are assorted ways like ignore wildcards like asterisk if not required in select clause. Implement indexing as it enhances the performance, but do not over or under index. Apply query hints like no lock, recompile, or optimize for only after enough research. Or performs worst if multiple columns or tables are involved. So we can eliminate or and divide query into chunks. Also, we can generate actual execution plan. We can use tuning advisor or find slow queries using SQL DMVs, that is dynamic management views. So these were quite a few interview questions. I hope you have understood them, and in case you encounter any of them, you can answer them easily. Thank you.